full of series. I don't like to see them. Right, I'm not going to let you know. I don't swear anyway. I don't wait on it. I come up here with.
The guy, it's a Caribbean thing, so they're using the gas right here. Over there using the bamboo. Just the bamboo, right?
And wood.
And wood. So what is chicken?
Yeah.
And over there?
Curry duck.
Lots of curry, lots of chicken.
I real bush over there. I will only
Look like you know this thing. So what used to be here? Those columns.
That's what I bring up here.
Hope you got some history, right?
Yeah, it's from the colonial days.
From the colonial days.
Because I bought that time I like.
Look at these columns. So these are from the colonial days. Ancient times? Oh, and the Spanish them? So slavery days, right?
Yeah.
So these columns is from the...
All these was houses. Big structure going all the way back to.
Okay. So the out was on top of this, right?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
We're getting some rain now. Wow. Yeah, it's only a little rain. So this is your home out the city life.
It's been a while, but home.
Yes. We grew up in this, the wilderness life. Country life. Yeah. It's the best life.
Yeah. When I wake up in the morning, mist coming out your mountain. First of all.
Come out here quiet, you're out here by yourself, picking fruits, chopping jellies, going to the river. Hey. Orange. Tangerines. Hey. So this is her home. This is where she would call home. Hey.
You make it up?
Yeah man, it's simple thing. Simple man to come up. Hey. Oh, Rasta man. Bless up man. I'm a YouTuber. Loving you, Jasmine. Nice meeting you. Whoa, loving the house. Yams. Rain, live with the sun. Loving yam you. Nice yam. Yummy, yummy, guys. Wait. Woo. This is the country life. Is the country life. Wow, we're out in the country life, guys. It's so nice. You see that we are just literally just cut and everything, you know, the mango trees. Wow, today's been an adventure, you know. Today been a real adventure today, not even lying. Been a real adventure today, right? And the adventure ain't finished yet, you know. I'm just showing you this next part, you know. So we're in the countryside. Country life. Imagine living here in the country life, experiencing the country life. Wow. Experiencing the country life. Look at these are mango trees. Yeah, mango trees, as you can see. A big mango tree there. The coconuts. Hey. Huh? Susumba. I was trying to figure out what's this susumba, right? For pressure. Okay. Yeah. Susumba. Then say this one get the ladies them pregnant real fast too. That's what. Yeah, this is for the back home. So this one this is susumba. You ever seen susumba before? That is susumba there. Oh. Yeah. There's so much food.
Why we get buy?
Rastafari.
Yes, man.
Most high. That is that.
Where you carrying me now?
Yeah, you can carry on the bush.
Walk in the bush?
Walk in the bush. Getting coconuts.
Nah, it's coconut plants. There's plants right now.
Okay, just plant them.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, so there as well. So you farm all of this?
Most of it, yeah.
Most of it.
Normally,
You and your wife.
That bush right now is an outside back of clean, so the whole place just.
Just clean. So you have coconut, you have banana. These are some mangoes, right?
Yeah.
These are.
Starch.
What do you call these mangoes?
This is Julie.
Julie.
Julie, that big one is a starch.
Starch.
Next one is a starch.
Oh, so Julie and starch.
And that mango there is a pora mango.
Cora.
It's a pora.
Pora.
Bring you here, that's she mango.
Oh. Is that the East Indian mangoes?
No, it's the pora,
That's her name. Like his wife's name.
Okay.
She planted the name.
Okay, so she named it Pora.
So it's the pora tree.
Yes.
Yeah, pora, but the full name is the pora.
Okay, the Pora. We have banana here.
Yeah, everything now coming back up now.
Okay.
Everything on cut down and suckers are coming back up.
Okay, suckers them coming back up, as you can see. A lot of bananas though. You have a lot
There's
of
no coconuts here.
coconuts. A lot. So how long would the coconut take to get big? The tree. How long you feel like these trees take to grow?
Almost 5 years.
5 years.
I say one election.
Election.
Election to election.
Oh, okay, okay. So every election it's ready.
It should be.
So that's the next 5 years.
Yeah.
That's, you know, the other day we have a tricky question. I was trying to figure out, you know, how Mother Nature is the creation. Because when coconuts there, remember there was a small nut,
Yeah.
and then over the period it gathers so much water inside of it.
The water come to the coconut.
Oh, the water coming to the coconut, you know.
Well, I think that's still in the making. Even the scientists and them cannot, man.
They cannot figure that out, right?
Still cannot.
Still cannot figure that out. Oh, make the water come inside the coconut.
Good.
You guys, not even the scientists cannot figure that out up to today, you know. That's how great nature is. Cannot figure that out.
My son wants to be a YouTuber, bad to
Yeah? Where is he?
Just now, right there, and then we'll go up the river.
I will get pants, we'll take a little wet up so.
Wait now, man. Oi. Come so first. Come so first. Don't worry. Come now, man.
Wait by the pillars.
Come now, man. There we go.
Where's your son?
I want a boot so.
I'm not supposed to.
He's African, he's a concrete jungle man, you know.
We know that.
He's a concrete jungle man.
Yeah.
Well, I am a versatile man.
I love the bush.
I love the bush too. You know. Yeah, the country life. Dealing with all of the bush, all of the nature.
This one is like fine time so, eh?
Correct time?
My white head bloom, boy.
Oh, so you just burn out all of this?
It's like a fire yesterday. Yeah.
So you can still feel the heat.
Nah, I just from the sun.
It's the sun, right?
Come and dig up a yam here yesterday.
Oh, you dig up some yam yesterday?
Yam there.
Right here. Where is it? Yellow yam, white yam?
The white yam.
White yam.
All that come from one patch.
One
All
patch.
I am there.
One patch.
The vine is, I'll take the vine there.
Yeah. That's some thick vine. Real thick. Real thick vine.
The vine come back.
Nice.
So all here is fig and planting and all again, chicken to fig, coconut.
So what used to be here? Those columns.
Alright. That's what I'm bringing up here.
Hope you got some history, right?
Right. Here is from the colonial days.
From the colonial days.
This was a bus. First time I realized.
Look at these columns. So these are from the colonial days.
From ancient time.
Ancient times?
Spanish and them time.
Oh, and the Spanish them? So
Every day's time.
slavery days, right?
Yeah.
So these columns is from the...
All these was houses. Big structure going all the way back to.
Okay. So the house was on top of this, right? So this
Some fall down.
Yeah. So as you can see, these are the columns from colonial days time. You know, slavery days. So the house used to be on top of these columns.
You still look like lords up here.
Yeah, you can see. Look, the column got all the way back there, as you can see them.
Come in, man.
So big this house was?
Yeah, this house was big.
You never gonna be back there, man. Well, and it had bush here when I was here, but it didn't. It wasn't like this. You can walk through all these columns.
Yeah, it's always like this.
Yeah?
Look at
Always like this.
this. A big mansion used to up here.
When the column all down so.
You see column yet?
So they build the column and they put
All going back.
With that, you see column here, look at going back also, going back there.
yeah.
Coming back here, straight back up here.
Okay.
And we going again.
We're going again. So do you know the name of this place where used to be up here?
This is Flora. All here is Flora Valley.
From Valley, but in these days, the house that used to be here, the slave master.
By white people. Spanish.
By Spanish, right?
Do you know who was in it?
Who was in it?
No.
No.
I don't see.
We're not that part of the history.
Yeah. that part of the history is not yet being told. But as you can see, this was a big empire up here. So all of this column right here.
These are the small things, and I think we're going to I just light up this little piece. That's fine. That's in here too.
Yeah.
Shopping going. So column going back also too.
All the way back, so that means that this was like a big castle up here or something.
Real big ass
It's a
house.
castle, it's a castle.
Big castle was
Really
up here.
I know my mansion, huh?
No, it's not a mansion. It's like a big castle. You can see all the columns then, you know, all the way back there, and then there's some go all the way around there.
Have in front there. Have come. I never checked them.
Yeah.
I will say I never checked them.
To me?
Here's some more.
Tired already, man.
What?
I'm tired.
Well, are we now, you know, put out the pull?
Nah.
Oh guys, so
The blood clot.
this is all history. You know, we up in coral. You know, and these columns was like from colonial days, long time. You know, slavery days. So I guess this was some slave master, slave owner building this, right? There was some slave owner. And I guess back in them days you could have seen all the way back them side because we are up on top of the hill, right? So they could have seen everything that's coming up. So the reason why these columns are so high and so big, imagine out the height of this castle that was.
And at that time when they had buses and things, old buses and
All bus and thing.
Them soldiers have cannon shooting out in the sea here.
And some cannon as well.
You can't get the sea from here.
History, you know. Everything always come to a pass. Yeah. It was them time and now in this time.
that's some kush here, you know, but you can't dig them things today, man.
Couscous.
Kush, man. Sweet, yeah, man. Yes, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Purple.
Purple and kush.
I'm playing by the Africa too. We're still going?
Yes, man.
Right there, they have no column there, and we're going back to it.
Come big man. You see the man bring him last.
Give me a cutlass. I know we are going to the next end of the earth.
We're going to the next end of the herd. Look, there's so much column go all the way. This was a big place. It was very big.
Stop here. Might go from here going back to it. It's just bushy right now.
So you're gonna clear all of this and plant, right?
I don't remember that structure right here.
You're gonna put a shop here. Wow. You see? It was so big.
And then the land going back to the back to school.
Yeah. This was
Half of it left.
This was so big. Columns. I know you're tired.
Right, go.
All morning I walk them.
Yeah. Columns. Wow.
I'm going back too.
Column going back that way. Only if you could get a drawing or some sketch how this was back in them days.
It will be kind of hard to get because it was back then in hard.
So back in the days you can see the mixture what they were using and the stones that they put inside it. It's a river gravel. So this stone, get a piece of this. Come with the last, let me get a piece of this stone.
All those are river gravel.
These are river gravel, right?
Yeah.
This stone.
You want a piece of the stone?
Yeah, this.
You get some grapefruit? Well, I come late.
So what type of stone is this one? It's like from crystal.
Yeah.
It's a crystal.
It's a wallatal. A mixture of wallatal stone. This curry blast.
This what?
Blast this.
Blast?
Yeah.
What do you mean blast?
Blow it up to get to the fine stuff.
Oh.
There's a curry across there too.
Oh.
It have a nice zone for the we could go. A nice place but never nobody haven't seen that on Tapatakara.
Okay. History.
Yeah, come now.
Alright, sit down. So you notice out of every stone, this is the only part that's in it, so I'm taking this. I'm taking part of this history with me. This stone, guys, look at this. Yeah. This looks like some crystal. Still going.
Some hole in the back here, so you have to be careful. You fellas just stop you.
Yeah, the hole, yeah.
And the hole you have to stop. So we call them hole you back.
Yeah. History.
Just too long I haven't been to the back here.
A long time.
You know that works outside too.
We do other work as well.
Can be in the garden that we feel like it. More columns here again.
More columns here, right? So this is like the drive up. The lower column is probably where they drive their chariot. This is where they build us. Huh?
Real nice food.
What's that?
A food there. See a lizard in
Yeah, I think we call it galawas. Galawas in Jamaica. Them long ones. And this fruit called
Manicu fig, better known as penguin we call it.
penguin.
They eat it real nice.
Yeah. I noticed Trinidad has some traditional type of fruits.
Okay.
And it was sweet.
All this land here, that's some more columns all to the back there.
Yeah, there's more columns here. And these are all from the sea.
Same river gravel.
River gravels, sorry.
Ancient. Everything is from the river and most of them.
Ancient days. It's easy now to fall apart now.
Yeah. I just put everything.
So what do you think they used to hold it? Because there wasn't no cement same in them time, right?
Yeah. Cement are really long, you know.
Yeah. So this one is really doing it. Years and years old. River gravel. Yeah, more column here.
You know all the way back there, see that here? There.
So you grew up on this land?
No, my wife and them.
Or your wife and them?
Yeah, that's my wife.
So it's a family generation was living on this land, right? So I think your wife, great grand would have probably know more.
Your father.
Great
He
father.
passed.
Okay, he passed.
Yeah, she father.
So you would know more.
But it was given to them by Dr. Eric Williams.
Who's that? Eric Williams?
Yeah, Dr. Eric Williams.
Okay.
Prime Minister of Trinidad.
Okay.
What year was that?
Oh, he was the Prime Minister of Trinidad.
Yeah. So the land was given to a group of
Family.
Rastamen.
Oh, Rastaman. Okay. That is great. That is so good of the government, you know. To a group of Rastaman.
So this is how they come across it. And well, due to being with her, I end up, you know, I like the bush too.
Yeah. So, you know, Rasta, we like the culture, we like the bush life. You know, bush life is the best life.
It's been so hard to really come and clean. Oh, you just going for the dry season. Next time you come back in Trinidad, you need to
Clean.
I'll just sit just growing all in the back here. I wouldn't plant garden, no stuff.
I have a whole heap of
More coconut and sabacas and pottigal, more citrus, orange, grapefruit.
more citrus. We have a lot of work to get done. A lot of things to plant as well too, you know.
But it's I alone, man.
Yeah, true, you alone,
So-
right? I know.
And my wife she could, but it's I alone.
You need manpower. So you're gonna need to get workers. And to have workers, you have to have financial who
Money.
can pay them, you know. So otherwise, you have to just take your time and see what you
One
can
by
do.
one and you go little man.
One by one. And I see you have a worker as well too.
Yeah, you see all morning I walking, clean around the house, clean.
Yeah. And you have a consistent on it because if you don't, it's continue grows back. So it's like the more you clean and come up, you have to clean back, go back down.
The time you go forward and you're done here, start back all over again, back on.
Yeah. So I guess you have to pray for your son to get bigger. Get how much older so he can help you more, right?
Like it also.
You like it. So yeah, you must definitely get used to it, you know. Because guys, they can say around here you can feel history, you can feel the energy, you know, that something was here. You know, something was here before. It was really nice. You know, there's levers.
The land is really, really lovely. trust
Yeah, the land is lovely. I can
me.
see.
Dry and
Months.
yeah. That's some parts of the land you blade, you stick it, your blade go all the way down. You know.
All the way down.
Like that Santa Fe.
Okay.
Santa Fe.
Party leg. Clean.
Nah, man.
No.
Nah, man. Even.
You don't kill him and then boy bite you have problems.
Nah, man. You don't harmful. The baby still when they bigger here. Dead.
Snake?
Yeah, snake are killing them.
Oh, so you find snake around here?
Yeah.
What? I need to get out this bush quickly.
No, man. They're not doing it.
When I hear snake, you make me want to run, guys. This man is telling me about snake. He doesn't know I want to run right now when I hear snake. Right? I'll be running through this bush right now if I see a snake. You see now, you get me so paranoid I'm looking all around.
No, you don't even see them now.
You don't see them now?
No.
When would you see them?
Night time.
Night time? Shit! What? This man is right now he's telling about night time. They're right here right now looking at us. Somewhere hiding. I was at the zoo and them know I was messing about with their relative. You know. Snake?
He's a penguin, man.
Penguin. So is that like it's sweet? Penguin food. Oh, so you have to peel it like banana. It's well peeled like banana. Penguin. Wow.
Never had that before.
No? Guys, you ever had penguin before? I never.
You taste it?
No, I'm waiting on you to taste it first. So you eat the seed or you get rid of the seed?
Just the juice.
Just the juice. And they spit it back out. Oh. Guys, you ever had penguin before? Let me know. This is gonna be our first time, you know. So just the juice, right? Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's nice. I told you, Trinidad has some different type of stuff here.
Go ahead. Come now, boy. Come back and some penguin, boy. Oh, yeah, ready.
This does make a real nice wine.
Make wine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry, I never bought.
Wait, boy. Wait there.
Wait there. You said wait there. Wait, boy. Wait there.
Yeah, still covered.
I'm learning, man. I'm learning. Wait there. I'm coming. I'm coming, man. I'm coming. Are you eating penguin? Penguin. Penguin sweet.
It's really sweet.
It's sweet, man. Sweet. Oh, you need something to carry in.
There's something to eat in there.
Penguin. Very sweet.
Ooh, look at these bugs there.
Bugs.
I don't know what it is, but.
Let me see. It's some different type of. Wow.
First time I seen this.
First time? This is a new generation of bugs, what?
I don't know what the heck it is. Wow.
Different breeds. Don't leave them. You don't leave them. It's a different leaf. There's some different type of bugs. That is the.
I don't know what the heck is that.
You don't know what it is. See? That's why I see sometimes. This is why most people scared of the bush. Because this man grew up in the bush. And it's the first time he's seen bugs like that. And you've seen snake. Telling a town man about snake from Kingston, Jamaica. You want me to run back across me acre right now? He's saying the snake them don't come out till night. Hey. So the snake patrol at night and patrol at night, sleep a day. And some vampire snake them here. No sir. Some vampire. In Jamaica we see 40 leg or centipede. We kill them. My man said no, leave them. All when them bigger. So when them big. Hey, country life. So this is it. Those bugs are different. So what you know to know like a ola.
Right. There.
Country life. So this is what the country life is like.
Oh, it's what I come from after all these things, you know.
Yeah.
Because used to know this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some and leave some for the animals too.
Okay. So which animal will eat these?
Manikou, guti, you know, all animals.
Oh, manikou.
All animals eat it. You see how I cut it and open it here now?
Yeah.
They'll come in first.
They're coming for it, right?
So it's easy now to hunt them. You have a little gun there and it's easy.
The manikou is the bird, right?
Manikou is a
Parrot.
more like a big ass rat.
Oh, yeah, big rat. Okay, the manikou, yeah, the big rat where the guys them say catch one already and eat it.
Yeah, but I don't eat meat.
I don't eat meat.
I don't eat meat at all. But I will hunt for the fun of it, yeah.
So this is the handbag.
Yeah.
It's a bag, carry a bag now. Ready for the road. Yeah, set a trap for the manikou. While I'm walking, I'm sure you tell me about snake. I'm looking out for them, man. What's that sound?
That's music from the river. Oh, check it. There are little tiny bugs which fall in the rain.
Oh. You can hear it. What's this? Ants, right? What's this? Ants?
No, that is a wood license.
Oh, lice. Termites over there. Some red ones, right?
Be careful.
Is there?
Come on this side.
Go in.
Yeah.
Good. Mm-hmm.
I need to try some.
Watch now, if you come up here for a month, you know how nice it will be?
What? Oh, nice.
1 month.
I might be nice and dead.
Yeah, but that.
Nice
You're
and
gonna be
fit.
healthy.
Yeah.
Come so.
This way. You're gonna be fit.
Healthy, shorty.
You say you walk in the back, right? The worst spot for me. You're going to be tough.
Yeah, look at that then.
When only wake them up, are you passing by them after?
Yeah.
You get the fig leaf?
Pink wing.
Tell the man in them away right here.
I know it's that.
More
I'm
colors.
going to put one thing here, boy.
What?
Right now, that?
Where is it? Feng wing.
For what? Fig leaf.
Man, I figure it. Man, he cook fig boy.
Hmm?
You know what the hell it is.
I see you track.
Hey, you know what the arse it is, eh?
Pink
I
wing.
know it is. I old bushman.
Wow.
But this are real old.
Treading. So we're treading through the bush. Trinidad. Historical. It's a very historical place, you know. Feel the history rolling through the bush.
Some big ass shadow man here now.
Somewhat?
Oh, I was some of that boy.
Shadow?
Right now. A big shadow, ready?
Shadow Benny?
Yeah.
What's
Right where
that?
there's putting the doubles. You see the green thing?
Yeah.
Right where there's putting doubles.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, boy. Good. Yeah. You got a whole plant now. Look the cutlass. And the plant back some of that boy. You're busting
Come
up.
and dig it out now.
Let me
Busting
see.
up here.
Exercise your hand now.
That is where
Come
the
and dig
mash
it
up.
out.
Oh, they mash up this.
Yeah.
Shadow Benny.
What? That is the best thing in doubles.
Come and dig out the thing now.
Watch, boy. Alright, look.
Fucking son of dinner.
Shadow Benny. This is what they put in the doubles. This is what they put in the doubles. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I can smell it. No, I'm smelling the doubles. When I smell this, guys, I know I'm smelling the doubles. Yeah. Yes, this is what I smell in the doubles. Shadow Benny.
There's the green part of it.
Yeah.
Flavor.
Oh,
Anything you can chow, anything you put that
all of
in.
this. Nice.
What?
This view,
Hey.
real
No,
breathtaking.
mean come up in the back yesterday. Ever come down.
Never come here.
You never come up here yet?
Yeah, I come up down there. I never come up in the back here.
What is it?
This is different.
It's the first for everything. But this is beautiful.
All lines the plant here. See line of them trees. I chop down a couple of them. You know.
Lime tree. Shadow Benny. Smell nice. There you go.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these plant back.
Just plant them.
All this full of shadow. You really want the grass stick it over right.
Yeah.
You got some long shadow, very long here, so long here.
Yeah, let me go. We look at that shot of next week. Sun coming out. Bro. Looking for snake out.
Okay, no.
Fine.
Yeah, it's a snake in the bushes somewhere. Alright, no. Don't wake up the snakes. Don't wake up the snake, you know, my general. Don't wake up the snake.
All these freaking bush here.
I'm telling you, right now, I'm getting paranoid. Snakes.
Nah, snakes so close.
So close? Huh? Run left them. Yeah.
Once it's not match it.
No match it,
Yeah, my brother. But let's see if it's the men in the back does the guy. So when only wake them up and they start to, when you be fasting, it's attack. Right, you reach back, man, I've seen civilization.
Yeah. You see, I've seen civilization.
Come and do some work here, boy.
Yeah, a lot of work.
And them going to see the hide again, and then when 2 years go there.
See? Work have to get done the same way. So now we're seeing the civilization there.
I want to veil. Take a veil and look to bustle.
Yeah.
You're going up in here, but yeah, it's our nice to go up in the back there. It is very nice up here. Not down, we on top of everybody, so we got nobody.
down the road.
The best thing about being the highest up. You don't get nobody water, everybody else get your water.
Yeah.
I don't be down the road at all.
Yeah, man, right, yeah.
If you see people in pool one by
I know.
Oh, good.
Ansness?
Yeah, again.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Ansness.
One socks is lucky.
Yeah. I got all socks.
Oh, number card good tree there. This is all the shot of any see that one?
Yeah.
Small.
Nice tree here.
Nice tree.
Wait. Oh, that's the real tree. Ganja. Ganja, me say. That way, 1, 2, 4. Man, some good trees there. Come in.
Nice.
That's the real trees. I ain't shot of any. You ain't swinging and chop down now, though. The peppers, boy.
A lot of work. Yeah. Still a lot of work here to do. Hot pepper. So you have to peel it like banana, look like that. You never.
But just make sure you know what you're doing now.
You never had it before?
All eat it up there?
Yeah, we eat it. Look.
Right, well, that was something about.
Guys, so we're gonna head down to the river now. So we're gonna have a wash off. Let us swim in the river. So I'm gonna get the river life now. And then now we're gonna head back. And then we're gonna head to the beach as well. You know? Head to the beach as well. That is it. Today was a nice, it was a nice vibe. You know, to get a wash off and everything. So today is an adventure day, it's a journey today. Today is the journey, boy. So we're on the move, we're on the go. Man, I'm on the cutlass, I guess we're going through more bushes.
No, in the river. Always with a blade. I don't move without my cutlass.
Okay. Just in case you see a snake, you chop it.
Anything. Anything that gets chopped.
Yeah.
Like far do this. You might have any chile in it.
Yes, put it in your pocket. Hey, who's there? What's that thing there?
What's that?
Oh, that was. Yeah. But you didn't have plenty right there.
Where's that thinking toe? This is what the country life is like, but I'm telling you, the sun is out. The sun is out. I'm not even lying. The sun is really, really out. Yes. But hey, I love it. I love the life. I love the life. I love the life, you know. I'm really enjoying myself here in Trinidad. Really, really, I'm thanking these guys, each and every one of them for this, you know, for showing me the hospitality. It is like, it's top class.
Where's man bringing for me to try now, boy?
Yeah.
That double? Oh, roti.
Anything I get,
You know this man come try and eat a roti, boy? Eat a roti.
No.
Well, I know
What
it's
is
not
that?
squash,
Padu.
I know it's not
What's his name? Who said Padu?
padu, I know it's not.
Padu.
Mm-hmm. Chocolate.
That's Padu. 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 Keep trying different culture. Jamaica, Trinidad is something else.
What I'm doing so long up there?
So we're going down to the top of the river. So we're gonna head to the top of the river now. So we're at the top of the river. There's no one up there. No one sending down any water. You know, polluting the water where we're going. We're at the top, so we're not going where everyone is. So we're going at the top. So let's see what it looks like, right? Let's see. And I noticed people is everywhere. Every family have a little spot where they go. Everyone have a spot where they go. They enjoy themselves. Is it right here?
Nah, you go for that.
Okay.
This is like a mini pool.
Mini pool. Blessing, blessing. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Food and vibes everywhere. Woo. People cooking by the river. Yeah, always cooking by the river. So everyone got an outside store cooking by the river. Look at that.
This is the life.
This is the life in Trinidad, cooking by the river. So it's not only Jamaica who cook by the river. Hello, can I see your pot? Wow. Yeah. Yes, it's not only in Jamaica.
It's a Caribbean thing, I know that.
Yeah, the guy, it's a Caribbean thing, so they're using the gas right here. Over there using the bamboo. Just the bamboo, right?
And wood.
And wood. So what is chicken?
Yeah.
And over there,
Carried up.
curry duck. Lots of curry, lots of chicken. So it's not only Jamaica, guys, so get it right. Get it right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so nice. I love your country.
Okay.
Yes, very nice. And I like the people.
Visiting?
Huh?
Visiting?
Yeah, I'm visiting.
Okay.
And everyone is polite. Everyone is lovely, lovely people here in
Yeah,
Trinidad.
it's true. And you find the people on the more urban sides of the country
Yeah.
are more friendly than those in the town.
Yeah. Wow. So this is the urban side, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's why everyone is so friendly.
Yes, that's so true.
My name is Kino.
Okay, I'm Usha.
Wusha.
Yeah.
And what's your name? Cook? Jamie. Check me out on YouTube.
What's your name?
Kino Life in Jamaica.
And live in Jamaica?
Yeah. So you have data on your phone? There's no signal down in it.
Yeah. I'll save it.
So it's KINO. Signal is really bad here in this countryside.
Yeah. KINO.
Space. Live in Jamaica. No, live.
LIFE?
Yeah.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
No problem.
Alright, so stay tuned, you will see this part. So say hello Jamaica to the
Hi
world.
Jamaica!
Okay. So tell me something about your country.
What not to tell you? Everything good. It's a beautiful island.
So everyone should visit.
Of course, definitely.
Alright then, take care.
I'll check out.
Alright then. Alright, mommy. Alright, bye bye. So here we're crossing the river. Oh, it's not that deep though. No, not upward.
It's okay, it is up here. Watch. So the water at the front up here?
Yeah, very clear.
Absolutely, really clear.
Yeah, because no one is up by the top, so the water is really clear. Clear. Wow. Your photo lady? She photograph. Oh yeah. You don't want to be a YouTuber?
No, I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it? Sweet, it's a photo man, photographer. Photography. Okay. Good fun. Nice clear water. No soap? That's true, soap my carriage. Blue soap. Not that cold? Not that cold.
A cake and about fucking $10,000 on top of the cake spread out.
Oh, nah.
And a big gold chain. You see that gold chain?
Yeah.
That's for me!
Oh, what?
Me! Hey, that's there for 2 weeks and all them men and them who?
Yeah.
Touch.
But yeah, leave it right.
Didn't touch it.
They didn't touch it.
Nah.
So they said $10,000 and a big chain
God had a gold.
and no one touched it.
His body touch it.
Because I noticed
Everything line out in the water now.
Yeah.
Everything and the rest of it. Nobody
I noticed at Blue Basin there's a lot of ritual go on there as well. And the candles and everything.
Yeah, that's used to have 1 or 2.
The Baptists used to be up there, but they kind of ban them. They don't really be up there again, so.
So.
Nah, so we went. No, we went so the last time. We went by the big stone. Yeah.
You haven't bring out the pan, nothing.
Yeah, boy.
Jamal, you haven't bring out the pan, nothing, boy.
Jamal, you had to run back for that.
I don't beat it, no.
But that is good. You can go back for it. We had to get soap on the power, boy.
Go back for the soap and the pack quick now, boy. Jamal, go back for the soap and the packet. Game already come already.
So you ain't take me out yet? Yeah. We get with it?
What's that? Listen.
Zandoli.
Running for his life. There's a lot of bamboo trees. A lot of bamboos here in Trinidad, boy. A lot. Walking through this. A lot of bamboo. Some big tree. Trinidad, this is the countryside. Still cut. Real cut. Still cut is the real cut. And everything. It's a long walk?
already, you know you're going.
Nice.
Plantains.
Yeah, all the plantains, right? I tried one of the plantains already. It's really sweet. I noticed you got the fruits here in Trinidad is really sweet.
Sweet and spice.
Yeah, sweet and spice. That is it. Here in Trinidad, a lot of sweet and spice. Spice and sweet. And they also spice the sweet as well too. You know, the pineapple is so sweet and they spice it as well. Yeah. The mango is sweet. Everything sweet. Sweet.
Take a wet, man, take a wet. Okay, take a wet.
Oh, and you got a, is this a spot?
No, they were could lie down.
We want to make one go. And I read. I want to go one go. Yeah. Hey, this is nice shoe here. It's very nice. This is very nice.
People living up in the back here.
Oh, people live up here?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
You are? Left. You know where they are? You know where they're coming?
I know they're coming. So many bamboos, and there are some. These are some big bamboos.
The balize? No, the flora.
There are some big bamboos around here. You can't live around here. Yeah, man. This is life. Is one of the best life. Living the country life. Of course. Imagine you wake up walking through this life.
What you can go on that side?
Up in the back was just some bamboo.
Yeah.
Up in the back there,
And chop it out.
You chop down all the bamboo and now going back, but in the back there, it was nanya, you know.
Yeah, nanya.
But when I go in there, they scream and that's
Bamboo for days.
they help all of the land also, you know.
Oh, it helps all up the land.
Hey, so we take the pictures the last time? Up on the side, eh?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I want to go for the camera.
The bamboos is what help hold up the land, wall up the land. It is so nice. It is so nice. I'm really enjoying myself. I hope you do enjoy watching this content. And I hope you enjoy it same way I'm enjoying myself. So. Oh, you got a waterfall around here as well? Oh, it's all the way up. Way up.
And I don't walk barefoot and I don't walk at all. How long I walk?
Really, not up there as the basis. It's a bad deal.
What's that sound?
Huh?
What's that, the bamboo?
Like the Bali Zero.
The Bali village?
The Bali Z.
Oh, Bali Z.
Like the PNM symbol.
PNM.
Bali Z.
Yeah, and you know what they say with the Bali Z? Snake in the Bali Z. So let's move.
Oh. Yes, when you see that snake is there.
Blasted coward.
No snake.
Woo! You got time to walk from it back right here. There you go.
Ball easy. Oh. So we're making a walk to the river. Huh? Yeah.
After little view all the time.
Some nice plants from next year. Come and get some of these plants.
Barry, it's not here we come, boy.
Lock it right here. Come. Not here, but it's here.
Close by here you come.
Cool. Now I see him. Top water, left water.
All the way at the top.
Ah, right. I know, right.
So it was here you come.
Alright, this one. Very stone.
You see if I see the river again 4 times.
Mm-hmm. 4 times. So we crossed 4 different rivers. One river. Crossed it 4 times.
When I get shallow, boy.
Real shallow.
So I stay from here and dive inside it too.
Oh. The dry season now.
No, it's naturally stone come down and
Oh, the stone comes down the road.
so when you go to see the rapid music. What? The rapid shot soap by
Where?
the characterized girl.
Well, wait is. The long vine? Long chair? Yeah. The next name.
The characterized girl.
What is that?
The rapid.
Oh. You boil it?
Boil it, but you put in one and drink it.
Oh. Good for the system.
Next year. See that? When you have the cold,
Yeah.
that way take it. It's about it.
Zap up.
You can make it.
Serious?
You rub it on your hand and put it on your tongue.
That's too bitter, right?
What?
Yeah.
Not too
Two times in the hour.
Yeah.
Taste it naturally.
I know them bitter stuff, yeah. It's like our bitter Cersei.
Come when I walk up, come back.
Guys, this is bitter. Just touch it on from it. Bitter. It's come like neem. Worse than neem.
Worse than this.
Yeah. It's worse than neem. Neem, nowhere close.
But the better is just last for a little while.
Yeah, the bitterness lasts.
When they soak it in the punching,
Mm-hmm.
and then in the cold and thing, and they take that shot. What? Everything coming out.
You're drinking Hulk.
Mm-hmm.
Because the punching and thing green.
Yeah. Whee.
They call it Hulk.
So, we're going to the next river, not this one.
Are you be in there?
I'll be in there.
You want to go up here?
You just take a stone and maybe they might reach here so they don't come out. They might come in before.
Yeah, it'll be very cold. So it's covered down.
Mm-hmm.
Everything covered in there. What's that cold? What's that?
Welcome.
It was dry season. It might not cause them river so easy now.
Mm-hmm.
If it's rainy season.
What time is it now? 2:15. So we can reach up by squid before 5 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
People. Oh, people live up here as a house. Is that a big house? People live up here, man. That's a big house. Well set up.
Now, but you know when you're living up here, when you buy them, you ain't buying to come back out now. You're buying to stay up.
Buy to stay up.
You get internet, eh? No, we're big internet.
A box.
You have everything.
So people live up here.
I used to carry out the water.
Just pump water.
Pump water. You can cook with it, you can drink it, which I do.
Same river I crossed in again.
Still crossing rivers.
Same river.
Same river. Different bend. Place is really, really nice. Lie down. They have a big 4x4.
Beautiful that trees. Actually, moss that's hanging off the trees.
They call them?
Moss.
Mouse.
Moss. Sea moss.
Sea moss.
Weed like a weed.
Oh, okay. Sea moss.
Not sea moss.
What this is it?
Moss.
A moss.
Ooh.
Different. Nice.
Because of the coolness. In the back it'll be so cold because the north is really cool.
Oh. Up here probably up here is well cool at night, right? Can imagine. Well cool. This guy say say we're gonna have a wash off now. And then we're gonna head back out and take on the road. So that is it. I'm gonna take a dip. Whee! Soft life. A lot of dirt there, so rocks, morass, this morass. Way cold. Jeez. Cold. Yeah. I have to take a dip. There's so much sand inside of it. Whenever you're going to get back messy, so it's like you have to use a dip to just dip up yourself. But just use a dip just to dip up. Trust. So you have to use a big part. You get back dirty. Get at it.
Cool and nice.
Nice. Nice.
I don't know. I could smell it. I could smell it. If I smell it, I would know the difference. I don't know.
I know orange. It could be here, but it's not that orange. Orange green, more slightly green.
Shiny. Shiny, eh?
And more dull.
No orange. Hold on. Right, I'm not going to wet you now. I lie down so already waiting. I was waiting on it. I come up here wet. Pistols.
Worky.
Well, like I want to crush up some green leaf and mix it with that soap that you have in.
They never bring the soap.
Man, boy, the man bring a little blade so I. You get it?
Bring this.
A little one blade. It's breaking off. Hey, must get boy. Which part of must get was boy? Nah, right here.
Someone find that spot.
Yeah, I was going to be here too. On the bank somewhere, right, it's still it. You're mad? You know, there's a lot of cigarettes in the bush. Hey, raise your legs, raise your legs. You know how to raise your legs?
Hey.
Come and cigarette and light it.
Blessings, brother.
Like the real countrymen you could interview there. Countrymen say.
Yeah.
They're doing a little YouTube video for the country life now. From Jamaica, so you're out here carrying them up and giving them a little tour of everything.
Yes. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, man. It's real nice. Definitely. Alright, man. Good time. I have to love it, of course.
Yeah.
Here to love it.
What happened to you? Something attacked you? What happened to you? Somebody put it in.
Oh, I taste it. Bitter. No? It's bitter. Tastes nice, you know.
But you tried working.
Yeah. Hold this for me a minute. Let me get a
Hey!
So this is how we're going to do it. We have to dip.
Yeah, I find a real bush over there. I want only.
Look like you know this thing. Water is nice.
The riding with falling today? Or you don't ride it?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice and cool.
But you don't have dry, eh?
Huh?
You don't have dry, eh?
Where's the soap? Where's the soap? In the soap?
The blade of soap that Jamali.
We're gonna make it work. Oh my God. We're gonna make it work.
Blade.
Carbolic, I like carbolic.
That's so.
Carbolic, right? This is the carbolic soap. We're gonna make it work.
A blade.
The blade. We'll make it work.
You want your head shaking, eh?
There you go.
Yeah, boy, that's real big. I never saw a big so.
That is it, guys. So I'm gonna have my shower, and then we're gonna hit back the road. We're gonna head down to having this quick shower by the river here in Cora. Cora River. Alright, guys. So catch you in the next. Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.